Hello, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be looking at how to use the mirror entities. So let's start a new part file and click OK. And on the right plane, let's draw a sketch. And let's draw a corner rectangle. So select corner rectangle and just draw something like that. And let's add the dimension. And let's make that 3. And let's make this 2. So now let's say we want to mirror this sketch to this side. So what you do is select your mirror entity, and entities to mirror, we select this line, that line, and this line. And the lines we selected are in here, and mirror about, and we want to leave a copy because we are copying the line on the other side. The lines were on mirror about, so we are mirroring about this line. So you select this box, make sure it's blue, and select this line. And once you get that preview, click OK. And that's how the mirror entity works. So let's delete it and try one more example. Let's use a circle this time. And even if we don't have to use a circle, let's just draw some type of shape. So let's draw something like this. Just draw any shape. Something like this. So again, we want to mirror this to this side. So what we'll do is select mirror, mirror entities, entities to mirror. Select those lines, mirror about this line, and click OK. And in most cases, when you mirror it, to have a one profile, what you do is select this line and you can make it a construction line. So now you have one profile. And that is how the mirror tool works. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.